Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I guess you are fine. I'm feeling great. Right, so here we are with our today's lecture. It's lecture 16 of elementary level. Welcome to the class. You are watching video at my channel. English is easy. I guess it is easy. Good. Alright, if you will say it's easy, then it's easy. If you will say it is hard, oh my god, then it's too hard. So today we have got a topic related to previous topic. In previous class, in previous lecture, we discussed about question words. What, where, when, how, who, whose, why. And then we learned some compound question word, like when we just put together two words together. Like for example, how many, how much, how often, how long, like that. So today we are going to talk one of them. How long? How often? How long is one of the topics we'll discuss in the upcoming lectures. But today we are going to talk about how often or how often. They both are used, but I prefer how often. So let's move on. But before starting the lecture, I would have a simple request. If you have whatever you have learned, whatever you know about how often, bring it in your mind. Take it out and think over it, okay? Then when I'm just teaching, when we are discussing, just focus on that, don't think about that, okay? जो पढ़ा रहा हूँ उसके बारे में सोचिएगा, उसके बारे में तो उसको तवज्जो दीजिएगा, उसके बारे में नहीं सोचिएगा. Otherwise, when two things come together, then there is a clash, then boom, then there is a blast, okay? फिर समझ नहीं आता. तो फिलहाल इस पर तवज्जो दें. Then if you have any question, any confusion, you can surely ask me. You feel free to ask, okay? So let's start without wasting a single second. Grammar topic, frequency words in English. The topic is how often, and we are talking about frequency words. Of course, how often हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब हम पूछते हैं किसी भी चीज़ की frequency. Like कोई भी काम आप करते हैं तो कितना वक्त लगता है. Frequency में तादाद, like कितनी मर्तबा और कैसे, okay? तो जब हम सवाल करते हैं तो सवाल हम करते हैं how often से. फिर जवाब इसका फ्रीक्वेंसी में होता है. तो इसीलिए they both are भाई बहन, I guess. they both have relation. So let's see. Grammar. There are lots of ways to ask to talk about how often we do something. मुख्तलिफ तरीके हैं. Mostly we use how many times. Like for example, if I say भाई आप कितनी मर्तबा खाना खाते हो? How many times do you have food? How many times? और एक और तरीका है आपका how often. तो आज हम सिर्फ फोकस करेंगे how often पर, according to the topic. क्या पढ़ेंगे इससे हम? How often भी पढ़ सकते हैं. Alright, so let's have an example. We are highly focused on frequency. Okay, frequency words. Okay, the question is very simple. You can ask question in any tense. You can ask in present. You can ask in past. You can ask in future even. For example, I say मैं कहता हूँ कि आप कितनी मर्तबा आप दिन में कितनी मर्तबा मुंह धोते हैं? How often do you wash your face a day? Okay, so how often? If I talk about past में कि okay, if I say how often did Hanzala open his book? अंजना ने कितनी मर्तबा अपनी किताब खोली थी? Fine. If I talk about future, how often will you call me when you are away? जब आप चले जाओगे तो कितनी मर्तबा कॉल करोगे? So it's very simple question. Like if you know the tense, what you have to do simply, you have to put the question word before. हमने पिछले लेक्चर में डिस्कस किया है कि जो हमारा सवाल है, do you go to school, do you go to gym? Simple. So just put the question word in the beginning. So it becomes a question from question word, WH word you can say. Let's talk about frequency words, okay? Let's talk about this. We have different manners, we have different styles, different words. We can give the answer मुख्तलिफ तरीके हैं, मुख्तलिफ words हैं. Let's discuss this, then we'll talk about adverbs of frequency. Once a week, once मतलब एक दफा या एक मर्तबा. For example, if I say how often do you go to gym, I have just written the short answer. If I just talk about complete answer, you will say. If I ask the question how often do you go to gym, Say I go to gym once a week. I go to gym once a week. हफ्ते में एक मरतबा. I go to gym twice a week. हफ्ते में 2 मरतबा. एक हफ्ते में 2 मरतबा. Once a fortnight. Fortnight हम नॉर्मली इस्तेमाल करते हैं 2 हफ्ते के लिए. तो मतलब क्या हुआ? Once a fortnight 2 हफ्ते में एक मरतबा. Let's change the question. How often do you how often do you have food in a day? Okay, so I have food 3 times a day. Twice a day. Twice we इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Okay, let's have a practical example. Okay. How often do you have a lecture of physics in your school? कितने मरतबा होता है? तो we can say we have or I have a physics lecture once a week. हफ्ते में एक मरतबा lecture होता है. Fine. Okay. How often do you have exams annually? साल में कितने मरतबा आपके जो एग्जाम होते हैं? So we have exams twice a year. Twice a year मतलब साल में 2 मरतबा. So you can put in any these are basically the words you can put in any answer, any condition or any situation. So I guess you got it. Simple. Okay. Every day, very simple. हर दिन like how often do you play cricket? I play cricket every day, every day and every night. Okay. Every 2 days. Yes, this word is also used. Every 2 days मतलब क्या हुआ? मतलब 2 दिन में एक मरतबा. 2 दिन में एक मरतबा. If I say how often do you visit your mom's house? आप अपनी अम्मी के घर कितनी मरतबा जाते हैं? कितनी मरतबा विजिट करते हैं? So you say I visit my mom's house या mom's home every 2 days. मतलब 2 दिन में एक मरतबा. Every 3 days 3 दिन में. Every 5 days means 5 दिन में एक मरतबा. Okay. इसके अलावा बहुत सारे वर्ड्स हैं. You can इसका अगर आप आगू के जवाब देने का अंदाज बदल जाता है. If the question is changed, like how often does Pakistan cricket team play series with Australia? पाकिस्तान जो है ऑस्ट्रेलिया कितनी मरतबा सीरीज के अंदर से पाकिस्तान plays series with Australia annually. सालाना साल में एक मरतबा. How many times do we have? How often does government announce the budget? Government announces the budget annually or quarterly. मतलब साल में जो है साल में 4 मरतबा. Quarterly means after every 3 months. Quarterly, weekly, monthly, annually. Annually means yearly. साल में सालाना या साल में एक मरतबा. Okay? Annually or yearly. So see, you go in this manner. But there is one more word. I remember. Every other day. Every other day. It's also common. Every other day means एक दिन छोड़कर. How often do you check tea at hotel? I check tea at hotel every other day. मतलब हर एक दिन घर पे, एक दिन होटल में, एक दिन घर में, एक दिन होटल में. So every other day. Simple. These are commonly used. We have common. We speak it normally. Every day, every other day, every 2 days. So I guess it's clear now. All right. The remaining part. It is very important, and we use it more than that in our written communication or in writing. Okay. They are called adverbs of frequency. It is one of the types of adverb. Adverb के किस्म like adverbs of manner. We will discuss in detail in upcoming classes. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of frequency, adverb of time, adverb of place. So here we are with adverbs of frequency. Like जब हम frequency की बात करते हैं, कितनी मर्तबा कोई काम हो रहा है, किस तादाद से हो रहा है. So we use adverbs of frequency. For example. These are same question. I just keep it here. First, let's discuss what are they. पहले देख लेते हैं कौन कौन से word हैं. There are many. So let's see. Always. Okay, normally students speak always. Don't say always, say always. Speak up. Always. Always. Okay, that don't go in. Okay, there are different pronunciation, but it's better to say always. Better if always. It seems something like English word. Okay, always. Always is used for whenever you do any work regularly without any gap, that 100% of the time. For example, how often do you talk to your friends? I always talk to my friends. How often do you use a mobile phone? I always use a mobile phone. Fine. So it depends when your action is 100%, like you do it like a majority of the time or most of the time, or always you use 100% means there's no chance. Often it's used for 80%, like you are now, if the degree is going down, okay, then 100% for 80% we use often or usually. अमूमन often means अक्सर, ठीक है. Sometimes बाज़ औक़ात, कभी कभार, from time to time, मतलब जब भी वक्त मिलता है. This is another expression, ये भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं when you have less than 50% or more than 30%. Rarely we use when, like I have just kept it to make it easy. समझने के लिए I just give you the percentage. So rarely जब आप इतनी फ्रीक्वेंसी से काम करते हैं, hardly ever, बहुत कम, साल में कभी गलती से एक बार अगर हो गया. How often do you okay, if I just get it off, how often do you open, okay, how often do you, I'm just not getting a good example of that. Alright man, I'll just tell you. Never means never, kabhi nahi, like zero frequency, okay. For example, the same question if I have, how often do you go to gym? So I say, I never go to gym. I hate it. Gym को तो देखना ही नहीं है, जाना ही नहीं है. So I never go to gym. I go there from time to time. Means 2 महीने में कभी, फिर 3 महीने में कभी, like not regularly, sometimes from time to time. So see, just time frame is 35-50%. You can say 3 महीने में एक बार, 4 महीने में एक बार, like that. So here we go. Okay, let's make an examples. Okay, because assignment, you have to make 10 examples of these verbs, adverbs of frequency and this frequency of adverbs. These words of frequency and these adverbs of frequency. Okay, how you will make the question or answer? The assignment says that you have to make questions and answers. So this time you will ask question to yourself. Okay, for example, if I'm making example, you have to make 10 questions and their answers. The first question is how often. So you have to keep in the mind, you have to keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anyone यहाँ से कोई भी 2 आप ले लें, ठीक है, लेकिन ये आप 10, 8 लाजमी लेंगे. वो काम जो आप रेगुलरली करते हैं. Say, Hamad, how often do you how often do you talk? Do you speak English? I always speak English. So see, मेरा always हो गया. Try to be practical, try to be true. कोशिश कीजिएगा जो आपकी like talk about reality. अगर आपके पास नहीं है, so you can pretend. Okay, you try कि आपका जुमला जो है वो accurate, like something reality से related हो. और अगर ना हो तो आप pretend कर सकते हैं. Like ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मैं कोई भी काम rarely करता हूँ. ज़रूरी नहीं है मैं कोई भी काम usually करता हूँ. But for example, try कीजिएगा. If you don't get any example, don't worry. You can just make any example, okay? But question होगा, फिर answer होगा. I say, how often? If I say, Ahmad, how often do you help your mom washing the clothes? Say, I never help. No. I hardly ever help my mom in washing the clothes. Fine, I do help. Okay, Ahmad, how often do you make your bed? I always make my bed. I do it. Alright, so that's how आपको 10 सवाल करने हैं और जवाब आपको मतलब कोशिश करनी है कि 10 के 10 आपके साथ ये वर्ड हो और यहाँ से आपकी कोई 3 वर्ड. Got it? So इस तरह बनेगा assignment. Try not to mess out. गलत नहीं कीजिएगा. Confusion हो तो पूछ लीजिएगा. सवाल बनेगा, फिर हर सवाल के जवाब देंगे एक इससे सारे जवाब को सारे वर्ड्स यूज करने अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस में. Alright, so here we are with the key point. The key point what you have to keep in your mind, जो आपको याद रखनी है. don't like do this mistake. This is a very silly mistake. बच्चों वाली गलती हो जाएगी अगर आप करेंगे तो. I guess will not do. You are intelligent. Okay. These adverbs go after the verb to be and other auxiliaries. For example, be verbs is was verb auxiliaries do, does, can. These all are auxiliaries. Okay. So he is never said. He is never said. Be क्या है? Is क्या है? It is auxiliary verb. I beg your pardon. Is, am, are, was, were. Okay. These all are auxiliary verbs. The verbs to be. The verbs to be. तो जब भी हम एडवर्ब्स फ्रीक्वेंसी इस्तेमाल करेंगे वो हमेशा बी वर्ब के बाद आएगा. बी वर्ब के बाद आएगा. याद रखें ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब के बाद एडवर्ब्स फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल if I give one more example, like she is always sad. She is always happy. Like, my brother is sometimes boring. Fine. तो see इसके बाद आ रहा है. My friends are always supportive. तो देख रहे हैं बी वर्ब के बाद हमेशा एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी हमेशा बी वर्ब के बाद आएगा. ओके. और पहले आएगा किसके? बिफोर अदर वर्ब्स. और अगर कोई एक्शन वर्ब है बी वर्ब के अलावा तो आप पहले यूज करेंगे एक्शन वर्ब बी वर्ब के अलावा. फॉर एग्जांपल ही ऑफन गेट्स अप अर्ली. वो अक्सर जल्दी उठता है. Like I usually speak Gujarati with my family. See, speak verb आ गया तो उससे पहले आ गया. बी वर्ब बाद में नहीं पहले आएगा. I sometimes play cricket with my friends. I play cricket sometimes नहीं होगा. I sometimes play cricket. And दोबारा I'm just making it simple and clear. सुन ले आप. Auxiliary verb के बाद और अदर वर्ब्स मतलब एक्शन वर्ब्स या अदर वर्ब्स ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स के अलावा या वर्ब टू बी के अलावा पहले, वर्ब टू बी के बाद और दूसरे वर्ब से पहले. रिपीट आफ्टर मी. आफ्टर ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स या आफ्टर वर्ब्स टू बी एंड बिफोर अदर वर्ब्स. बिफोर अदर वर्ब्स. ये की पॉइंट. ओके. सो यू विल हैव टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट. टॉपिक इज ओवर. कांग्रेचुलेशन. Here we have the assignments. I think the assignments are not too not too heavy. It's useful for you. If you do it, you will learn it more than what I thought. Okay, number one assignment. Whatever the listening I just said you, just listen in the previous class. Listen it and speak. Means you have to record. आपको सुनकर recording करनी है. You have done the answer. You have done the transcript. Now it's time for recording. So आप record करेंगे और जिस तरह मैंने आपको बताया assignment इसके आपको 10 सवाल और जवाब देने हैं. लिखेंगे, पिक्चर लेंगे और फिर will send me, will share me, and then I'll just tell you your mistakes if there are. So thank you so much. It's enough for today. I guess you've learned it is helpful for you. And time to say goodbye. But before leaving, I have a simple request. If you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed my channel, so do it right now and hit the like button if you like. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.